Hi, and welcome to another episode of Crafty as Beat. We are making paper crafts for Christmas, and this is for anyone who has little crafting experience, little funds, has a lot of time, and has little supplies. So today we are going to be making Christmas trees to kind of set up around the house. I like to put mine on the shelf. I saw them as centerpieces. I thought they were super cute. So the first thing I did was found a template. Triangles. Now, what you want is for the base to be the same width, but you want one of them to be smaller. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut using whatever paper you choose. I'm doing a lot of golds this year, so I'm going to have gold. And then your taller one, you want to make a slit up the center. That's the height of your smaller triangle. I hope I didn't confuse you. We are back. I cut out some triangles, and I think the important thing to note here is that I'm using double-sided paper because you are going to see all sides of your Christmas tree. So you can see that I cut along the middle of the largest triangle, and what you're going to do is layer them together like this. Oops. Now this will stand not very well on your table if you don't want to go any further than this. However, I think that it's better to put a base. So I took some really thick cardstock that's black and cut them into circles that would fit the base of my Christmas tree. And using my handy dandy hot glue gun, I glued my Christmas trees to a base. So here's the final product. All right, here we go. Our final products are here. So you can see when they're set up, if you did some in various heights, they're super cute. I wish I would have known about this, instead of buying all these expensive Christmas decorations. And you can choose paper that matches whatever your decor is. And at the end, you don't have to store them. You can throw them away and you can make new ones next year. It's super cute. Definitely nice for like a centerpiece or just to add some pizzazz to your holiday decoration. So thanks a lot. Happy crafting.